This is the video of introduction to strength of materials. In this video, let us see what is strength of materials, weightage of strength of materials in GATE, and what are the topics to be covered in GATE exam. And let us see this. In engineering mechanics lectures, we have seen the classification of engineering mechanics. So based on classification of matter, that is, matter is divided into solid and fluid, and in this fluid is again divided into liquids and gases. And in this solid mechanics of solids is called solid mechanics, and these solids are of two types. One is rigid bodies and other is deformable bodies. What are rigid bodies? Under the application of fluid, if the bodies do not deform, those are called rigid bodies. On the application of fluid, if the body changes its shape and size, those are called as deformable bodies. So mechanics of rigid bodies and mechanics of deformable bodies. This mechanics of deformable bodies is also called as mechanics of materials or strength of materials. It can be called with three names: mechanics of deformable bodies, mechanics of materials, strength of materials. This is called as generally MOM, and strength of materials as shown. So the weightage ranges from 8 to 15 marks. In the previous papers, it ranged from 8 to 15 marks, but averagely we can take the weightage as 8 to 10 marks from strength of materials for mechanical engineering. So what are the topics that are going to be covered in the strength of materials? So the first one is simple stresses and strains. In this first video, we will see about introduction, basics of strength of materials, and about simple stresses and strains. And in second one, complex stresses and strains. Third one, shear force and bending moment. In this we will see about bending moment diagram, that all, and center of gravity and moment of inertia. In center of gravity, in this video, it is detailed explained in the engineering mechanics section. We will see briefly about center of gravity and moment of inertia in this fourth video. And next one is theory of simple bending. In this theory of simple bending, the standard equation, which is sigma by I is equal to E by R, we will see about that equation. And sixth one is shear stress distribution in beams, and seventh is torsion. This fifth and seventh are related to each other. And slopes and deflections is the eighth one. And thin cylinders and spheres. This thin cylinders and spheres, sometimes called as vessels. Vessels are divided into cylinders and spheres. So ninth one is thin vessels. And in 10th chapter we will see about columns, and in finally we will see about strain energy. So these are the topics that are going to be covered in strength of materials. So please do subscribe for Viewed Mechanical to get the updates of new videos. Thank you.